just wish that I could put him back down. I mean, it really hurts when I try to move my scoop.
This is a tough case, but I'm not going to give up till it's correct. Where's Scooter? Stop! Toys, go stop! Ow, my eye! Sorry, Doc. Are you okay? I didn't mean to hurt you. I know. I need Mom. Mom, Daddy got sand in my eye. It was an accident.
Okay, let me see. Oh, sweetie, you do have sand in your eye. It must hurt to move it around.
Yeah, really bad.
Good thing Dr. Mom is here. Sand right out.